What was that? I heard something run into the woods. It was like a squirrel or something. I definitely heard something scurry into the woods. That's a bit creepy. Hello! And we are outside of Rownhams, where there's this big development for houses here. And we're going to try and find Rownhams Plantation. So there's another part of town I've not been before. So first we're going to go up here. And we should be able to see Rownhams service station across the motorway. Here we are. This is a different bridge. You can see the service stations down there. And it's another nice sunny afternoon. Next week it's all going to be raining every day, so it won't be great for making a video. I found out Broadlands Lake, you have to pay to get in and you can't take your bike in there. So that's changed since I last visited it. It's now like a fishing lake for people catching carp and freshwater fish. So they put up barriers now and there's someone at that site all the time. And I think this is it. Not sure if you can ride a bike along here. We'll try it. So this is Rownhams Plantation, and I'm not sure if it takes us out to Chilworth, so we'll find out. We're on the Dorse Galaxy today. Got thicker tyres this time. Another heavily wooded area. This is all downhill. Not going to go too fast, because I've not done this before. Yeah, this is Rownhams Plantation. There's no signs or anything, so I don't know if it's public or privately owned. No, you can't get around there. Wow. Look at the ferns. Where a path used to be, look how straight that is. Right, I think it's just a straight path, so we're not going to go off anywhere. Look at the colour of those ferns. There's another track that goes off somewhere. Right, I've no idea if anybody else is out here. A car park out there. There's only got space for like 6 or 7 cars, and it's full. So I know there's some people out here on foot probably. I'm just looking around left and right, so while the track narrows here, so I hope it's not a dead end. Super, a bit nervous when it gets dark like this. I'm dead open here. Someone can see me and I can't see them. Look at that. Right, let's hope this continues. I take it this is a tree plantation area, which is why it's called Rownhams Plantation. But I'm not sure who owns it. Well, at least the trail opens up a bit. And it's not muddy. It will be next week. That's why I'm doing what I can today. This isn't a mountain bike, so I can't really do logs that well. Right, this gets a bit technical. Oh god, he fell over. Right, the trail breaks up here, so I wonder if we're coming to a dead end. I'm going to keep going. I think the trail goes up there. I haven't got a clue. I looked on satellite view and it looked like it heads out to Chilworth, but I can't be sure. You never know till you do these things. You never know when you get up to a dead end and you have to turn around, which is a shame. I hate doing that. Oh, we got up to a fence. Well, I think that's it then. Let's go up to the fence. There might be a sign. It's barbed wire. What does the sign say? Something about council. I'll have to walk it. That's too steep. Hampshire County Council private property, keep out. What is it then? It's like a wall. There's a building behind it. I have to check on Google Maps to see what that is. We can't go any further. I'm not going to go in there. That only leaves the way going that way. I'm not sure where that will go. We'll have a quick look. If we follow the fence, it might take us out. Well, there's definitely a path here. So someone's been down here. Just follow it around. I haven't got a clue. Well, it looks like it takes us out into a field. There's a step here. Oh wow, that was a golf course. Oh, we can get out that way. Oh, there's no one on the golf course, it seems. Well, they haven't played up here. Can't see anyone. Oh, there's someone there. Alright, let's get out of here before we get shouted at. I'll keep going. Oh, there's a fence. There's a gate, that's not a good sign. That means it could be a dead end. That sounds golf ball there. See what the fence says, otherwise I have to go all the way back. Yes, there's no through way. Oh no. Private grounds. We won't climb over it, obviously. Yeah, it's a big golf course. Well, that's that. Let's try and head out of here. Let's see if I remember the way back. Right, we're back to this bit. It's a shame we can't cut through up there. Even if it's council property. I can't see the trail. I'll go down there. Oh, I enjoyed that. Even if it was a dead end. You never know with these things. And I know next week's going to be all wet. I'll still go out on my bike probably, but you know, I'm not going to go anywhere that's going to be muddy. Call me a pansy, but I just don't fancy the idea of getting dirty. Well, at least I know the way back's going to be all downhill pretty much. I definitely heard something scurry into the woods. That's a bit creepy. Alright, it's actually nicer coming back actually because it's downhill. I'm just rolling down here. Not pedalling. Wow. I can see the motorway up there actually. See the cars going through. Let's just go down here quick. Have a quick look. Well, someone's definitely walked down here. I mean, there's a trail here. It's getting very narrow. I'm not sure how far this goes. Wow, look at this. It's a stream. And we come out onto a field. But this is pretty amazing. Wow, look at that. Now I know we came to a dead end on the other bit. But this is well worth coming to see. Right, let's go back the way we came. I know we can go down there, but I will get lost in that. And I don't think anyone's filmed this either. Now technically that should take us back to the road, but I'm not going to take that chance. Alright, we're coming back out now. Let's have a look at this little tunnel thing. It's like an outlet. Someone's cut some trees down there. My legs are starting to go now. You know when you're craving for that tarmac, because it's going to be easier to pedal. Right, we're out now. I can see the exit. I'll get our energy back and then check on the phone where we've got to go next to go home. So thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.